Most artists think Patreon only works if you already have thousands of fans. That's the biggest lie from keeping artists from making money online. I've seen artists with tiny audiences making hundreds or even thousands per month, while artists with 50K followers make almost nothing. So what's the difference? In this video, I'll show you exactly how artists make money on Patreon, what actually works today, and the one mistake that quietly kills most Patreon pages. And trust me, once you see it, you won't unsee it. I've spent years studying how creators monetize online, from YouTubers to designers to digital artists. And the biggest surprise, the creators making the most money are rarely the ones with the biggest audience. They're the ones who understand how Patreon really works. Let me show you. 1. Patreon is not about fans, it's about superfans. Here's the biggest shift you need to understand. Patreon isn't built for everyone in your audience. It's built for your top 1 to 5% of fans. Think of it like this. If you post a drawing on Instagram and 10,000 people like it, most will scroll away. But a few people will think, I wish I could see how this artist makes their work. Or, I'd love to support this artist. Those are your superfans, and Patreon turns those people into monthly supporters. Even if only 50 people join at $5 per month, that's $250 every month. Keep watching because the way you structure this matters more than you think. 2. The biggest Patreon mistake artists make. Most artists launch Patreon like, support me if you want. That's it. No reason, no value, no excitement. And it doesn't work. Because Patreon isn't just about support. It's about access. Think of it like a VIP backstage pass. Your public content is the concert. Patreon is what happens behind the stage. Examples artists use that work incredibly well. Behind-the-scenes sketchbooks, process videos, time-lapses of artwork, early access to pieces, PSD files or brushes, monthly wallpaper downloads, exclusive tutorials. Now suddenly, Patreon feels like a club, not a donation. And people love being part of clubs. 3. The tier strategy that makes Patreon work. This is where many creators get stuck. They overcomplicate their tiers. 5 levels, 10 rewards, a million promises. Instead, keep it simple. Most successful patrons follow this structure. Tier 1, $3 to $5. Supporter, which includes early access, behind the scenes, patron feed posts. This tier usually brings most members. Tier 2, $7 to $10, the inner circle. This includes process videos, tutorials, sketches, work-in-progress posts. This is where artists often make the most money. Tier 3, $15 to $25, VIP or studio access including monthly downloads, high-resolution art, brushes or resources, community access. You don't need 10 tiers. You need 3 great ones. And this next part is where Patreon starts becoming really powerful. 4. Use content you're already making. One of the smartest Patreon strategies is this. Don't create more work. Use work you're already doing. Example, if you draw digitally, you already have sketches, layers, time-lapses, process steps. Instead of posting only the final piece, post the journey. Your audience loves seeing the messy middle. A lot of artists don't realize this, but the process is often more interesting than the result. 5. The real growth strategy. Most artists miss this. Here's something surprising. Patreon usually doesn't grow inside Patreon. It grows outside of it. Your Patreon grows when you consistently post content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, ArtStation. Every post is basically an invitation into your studio. Example, instead of saying, join my Patreon, say something like, if you want to see the full drawing process, it's on Patreon. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Here's something most artists only discover after months on Patreon. Consistency matters more than rewards. A patron that posts once per week consistently will outperform a patron that posts huge rewards randomly. Why? Because Patreon is a subscription. People stay subscribed when they feel the creator is active and present. Even simple posts like sketch dumps, WIP photos, quick thoughts about a project can keep people subscribed for years. It's not about perfection, it's about momentum. If this video helped you understand how artists actually make money on Patreon, hit like and subscribe. I post videos like this every week about making money as a creator online. And if you're wondering something a lot of creators ask, is Patreon actually worth it? There's some big pros, but also some downsides nobody talks about. And in the video on the screen, I break down Patreon channel pros and cons nobody tells you. Click to watch that before launching your page.